old or weak SSL cipher suite. Meaning, what will happen if we use the old or outdated SSL cipher suite? As we know, nowadays TLS and SSL protocol are widely used. They were designed to secure the data transfer between client and server through authentication and encryption. To secure the data transfer, TLS used one or more cipher suite. Cipher suite is a combination of authentication, encryption and message authentication code. Many or most of the TLS misconfiguration caused by selecting the wrong cipher suite. Means if we select a outdated or weak cipher suite, it will help to attacker to easily intercept or modify the data in transit. So to avoid this vulnerability, you all need to do is to upgrade the TLS and SSL version to the latest one. Thank you.